Hey, what's up, guys? Desert Steady Shot here again. So I was at the range today doing some shooting, some training, working on reloads and malfunction drills, whatnot. And I think I broke a gun. So yeah, I'm going to get settled in. I just got back in the door. I went to the range straight after work today. That's why I still got scrubs on. But yeah, so I'm gonna tear this gun apart after I get changed and whatnot, and we'll see what happened. All right, so I'm back, and here is the gun in question. This is my GSG-5 This is I guess you can call it a clone of the MP5 SD. I guess it's so close to being an actual MP5 in some aspects that HK sued the crap out of GSG. So now any parts for this gun that you want is listed actually on hkparts.net. It's no longer on ATI's website. And GSG no longer makes it. The gun they make now looks nothing like this one. But hopefully I can still find whatever I'm going to need for it, because I did look, and I guess I found two other rifles like this online that their bolt carrier actually broke. Mine, the rattling's in the stock right here. So I'm going to pull the stock off. I believe the breech fixing bolt or breech fixing part, whatever you want to call it, that's come loose or it's possibly broken. So I'm going to pull the stock off real quick. I'll figure out what caused it and we'll see what's going on. All right, so I've got this unbolted and I'm going to pull this off now. Going slow because I don't want to spill parts. And yeah, it looks like I was right. All right, and this is actually good news because nothing is broken. So this means that it's probably time to start locking this down with some Loctite. So that's going to explain why everything stopped working like it did. So yeah, now I can just pull the rest of it apart. I can pull the bolt carrier out and make sure nothing else is wrong with it, and get it cleaned up, put back together. All right, so just finished getting this pulled apart then. So I got the other pin removed from up front. This just slides back, down, that's off. There's the bolt carrier group. Everything in there looks good, so all right. So it looks like just the breech fixing bolt came loose. It bolts into right there. So all right, I'm just gonna get this all cleaned up, put it back together, because you can see all that. You should feel it. All right. All right, so I've got it all broken down and I'm about to spray it down with my cleaner right here. Before I do though, there's one thing I want to address real quick on the GSG-5s. If you have one, you may know about this, you may not. Inside, see it right back in there. Right there. Sorry. Anyways, that is your magazine. I'm sorry, that is not the magazine release. It's the bolt lock spring. If that spring happens to fall out, your bolt will not lock back on an empty magazine, and then you won't know unless you're really good at counting rounds when you go out, and you're going to end up doing a dry fire, which this is a rimfire rifle. You don't want to do that too. So just a quick safety note on that. Watch how you handle the gun, because that will just fall out. My brother-in-law lost his, and I called up GSG, and they just sent him out one for free. You can get it replaced if you lose it, but it's just a pain in the ass. Get this sprayed down, soak it up. Another cool note I noticed about the GSG-5 is it's actually a free floated barrel, just like the actual MP5. So I just thought that was neat. I can't tell. I'm gonna have to look some more, but it, I don't know. I'm not gonna say yes or no because I don't know that much about roller locks, but I'm wondering if it's a roller lock setup. I doubt it. Highly doubt it, but I'll find out. I'm gonna look some more. Maybe those, I don't know. But get this all sprayed down real good. Let it soak for a few minutes. Get it all cleaned up. It's probably got 1,000 rounds since I last cleaned it, took it apart, so probably explains why it came loose. All right, so let that soak. I'll be back, scrub it up. All right, so quick edit. Earlier I said I had the gun completely disassembled, and I actually did not. I did not have my bolt carrier group disassembled. I do have it apart now. It's a pain in the ass to do. Excuse me. That's why it's not recorded and being shown. There's other videos out there, but I guess if you guys would like me to show you how to do it, I can do another one on how to do that. But just for time on this one, try not to have it a 45-minute video like my last one, which I go into more detail about cleaning a gun if you want to watch that one. But it's taken apart, so I'll get it cleaned up and put it all back together. All right, I've got it all cleaned up and lightly oiled where it needs to be. So I'm going to go ahead and get this put back together and see if I can do it in a quick enough way that I have it all on video. This was what had came loose. Still gotta run up to the store, get some Loctite, because I don't have any. right. All right, guys, so I got it all put back together. It's cleaned up, it's working. It was the bolt carrier stopping bolt that came loose and malfunctioned when I was at the range and stopped the bolt from cycling like it should, and it wouldn't load rounds for me. So that's what was going on. I still need to get out to the store, buy a little bit of Loctite to put on there. I won't hit the range with this until I get a chance to do that though. I guess I can go ahead and show you. Got an empty mag right here. Empty chamber. Yes, I know it's a rim fire and you probably shouldn't dry fire them, but it's my gun and I want to double check. So that's good. There we go. All right, so it's working properly like it should again for the most part right now. So like I said, I got to run out, I got to get Loctite and hit the range again and find out if it's working. When I do that, I will post an update. So thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.
Oh God! There goes our. Who was the one that was? That is sad. That is sad.